In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off memory saver on Chrome quickly and easily. If Chrome has been putting your inactive tabs to sleep, slowing down your workflow, or interrupting what you're doing, this simple setting change can make a big difference. I'll walk you through it step by step so you can disable it in just a few seconds. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, start menu, or applications folder, depending on your device. Once Chrome is open, you're ready to change the setting that controls tab sleeping and memory usage. Now look at the top right corner of the Chrome window. You should see the three-dot menu icon. This is where Chrome keeps most of its settings and tools. Click those three dots, and from the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will take you into the main Chrome settings page, where you can control how the browser behaves. Once you're on the settings page, look at the left-hand menu. You'll see several options listed there, and the one you want is Performance. Click Performance to open Chrome's memory and energy settings. This is the section where Chrome manages features like Memory Saver, which automatically puts inactive tabs to sleep to reduce RAM usage. Now that you're in Performance settings, find the Memory Saver option. You'll see a toggle next to it. If it's turned on, Chrome is actively suspending tabs that you haven't used for a while. To turn it off, simply click the toggle so it switches to off. Once it's disabled, Chrome will stop sleeping inactive tabs automatically. This is especially useful if you keep multiple tabs open for work, research, editing, or streaming, and you want them to stay loaded in the background. Turning off Memory Saver can help ensure your tabs remain active and ready whenever you switch back to them. If you ever want to turn it back on later, you can follow the exact same steps and toggle it back on from the Performance settings page. So it's completely reversible, and you can adjust it depending on how much memory you want Chrome to save. And that's it. You've successfully turned off Memory Saver on Chrome. Quick, simple, and no extra software needed. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and check out the other Chrome tips on your screen right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.